Today, this is a new airport. Jump around a little bit so you can see it. But it's spanking new. They have four gates, 4 jetways. So they went from, they're now at this, and they came from this airport. So today, it's not being used. They keep all the facility of the airport tower, control tower is still there. And so that's the airport. Now when we're driving in, the road to drive in is all along the length of the runway. And what I saw on the way in was this cricket oval. So cricket is very, very big here in the Caribbean. And Antigua, their own cricket team, I think. If not, they're part of the West Indies cricket team. And the West Indies cricket team is made up of players from the different islands. And they play against like England, Pakistan, Australia, Sri Lanka. Cricket is actually a really, really big sport. It's just not so much in the US. So the airport property, it looks really nice. I'm not sure what this building is up here on the right. But it's very clean. And they can get another view of the old VC Bird International Airport. And downtown in the middle of the city, they have a picture, a big bust of VC Bird. He's actually, I think he's the very first prime minister they ever had. So you can check out the old terminal here. So today the old airport is being used for the control tower, the Met Office and the airport authority. If you look, you can still see the departures on the door when you used to go for departure. There's a little tuck shop. And so it's just all administration, right? But I didn't have 4 jetways now, but I prefer the new airport. Everybody just chilling. And look, cable and wireless telephone. I wonder if they still work. Let's go check. What do you think? Do you think it still works? It doesn't work. No, they don't work anymore. Ah, that's too funny. Let's see, maybe that one didn't work. Nope, this one didn't work either. Let's try this one. Nope, that one didn't work either. But this is cool. This is what it used to look like. God, I remember this airport when I came and look, they even have the Antigua and Barbuda colors, that's the colors of the flag. That's still there. So all the check-in was just out here, is where everybody used to check in. The JetBlue office is over there. Oh my God, the signs are still there, look. Look. It says business class check-in only. Oh, that is still funny. This ticket purchase. I can't believe they still have all those things plugged in. XL Airways used to come here. British Airways, World Traveler, Club World, Fast Backdrop. Neos came in here at one point. Everything is still here. Oh my God, that is too funny.